Welcome to Optimo Pathfinder. This video shows you how to get started in Pathfinder so you can easily create comprehensive financial strategies that include easy to understand charts, plain English action items, and detailed reports. You can even compare multiple scenarios to help your clients confidently make an informed decision. To create a strategy in Pathfinder, you just need to follow the steps on the top menu. Firstly, at the current situation, enter your client's current financial data, including personal details, current assets and loans, current superannuation, and current insurances. Then, at the cash flows and goals step, you enter your client's expected income and expenses, as well as new items and goals for the future. Once you've entered all the data, you can go to the results step and solve the scenario. And then you can review the results, which include charts, action items, and detailed reports. You can also download the scenario's results into a strategy paper. Once you are happy with the results for your first scenario, you can return to the cash flows and goals step to make more scenarios for comparison. When you're happy with the results for all of your scenarios, at the compare step, you can compare the projected outcomes of the different scenarios to show the value of your advice. The first page you'll see after you log into Pathfinder is the home page. Your first case is a free case where you can explore entering a case's details, solving scenarios, and reviewing results. On the home page, click the Add New Case button. This will take you to the Start step. Here you can select to start a blank case or use a sample case. Using a sample case will populate all of the data for you, so this is a good way to start your exploration. It's now time to run our solver to find the optimal strategy. Go to the Solve sub-step under the Results step. Make sure you have the correct scenario selected. If there are errors or warnings for your setup, these will be displayed. Errors will need to be fixed before solving. Assumptions are also displayed and should be reviewed. You're now ready to run our solver. Click the Start Solve button. This step should only take a few minutes at most, but if you have problems, our support team is there to help. Wait until you see the Solve Finished Successfully message. Now your results are ready to review. At the Document sub-step in the Results area, you can download your scenario strategy document. This is very useful for reviewing a strategy with your client. Click on the Documents tab. There are options available as to how your document looks. That is, whether or not to include charts that you have seen on the Strategy Summary tab, and which years to include in the document's reports. So the first step is to select your options. Then, click on the Download Strategy Paper button to generate your document. We suggest you use your free case to explore the sample cases and then practice setting up at least one case from scratch with multiple scenarios. Reusing your free case is easy. Go back to the Start step. Clear the data already there by starting a blank case or selecting another sample case. Any questions or problems, please email us at support@optimofinancial.com.au, and thank you for your time.